That is ice on my door. Stop it, Katie. Katie's whining. I put her back inside. Man, I'm going to take a little walk and show you around the apartment complex. Stairs going down. Okay, wind blowing. Ice in my eyes. Katie is whining. What is up with that? Our steps we made. Wow. I mean, I've got boots on. I can't even see the steps. Ooh, it is cold out here. Oh, but I bet kids are gonna have fun with the snow. That's for sure. Oops, big step. I sunk. Oh, the wind is blowing the snow off. Everything. I think I need my gloves on. I think they actually came and plowed the streets. You can tell by the snow being pushed up. Yep, they plowed through all right. Yeah. Sorry, I'm putting my gloves on. Oh wow, there's a guy out there walking his dog. And they're two small dogs and they're out there in the middle of the street walking. Wow. That's funny. Well, you can see, oh look at that car. Oh, that's a lot of snow. Yeah. Well, at least people who are used to the snow here put their wipers up and they know it won't freeze to the window. When you got out-of-towners, they don't know. The small dogs are coming my way through the street. Oh. Hi! Well, hello! Are you enjoying the snow? Huh? Yeah. Hi! Hi! Oh! I'm videotaping you on there. Hi! Are you enjoying that? Yeah, I can't believe my dogs wouldn't even come out. They didn't even want to come down here at all. Yeah, that's so neat. She's, is it a she?
Yep.
She's off leash.
Yeah, she's smart.
Yeah.
She's stupid but smart.
But are they enjoying the snow?
Yes.
Yeah.
When I first got her, it was the middle of the winter, and she was shivering a lot because her bust fur, but we're not doing too bad.
Yeah.
She's got nowhere to go to the bathroom, so.
Well, yeah, mine just peed on the outside of the back, but.
Yeah, it took her forever to figure that one out.
Oh.
Grass. I'm like, I can see grass for a while now.
Yeah, that's what mine was doing. She found one grass spot and she peed right there. Wow, I can't believe they're not freezing. It is cold.
Because we gotta walk right up there now and got coffee and stuff.
Yeah.
She's so small, it's taller than she is.
Oh, I know. I took video of my dog sinking up to her chest.
Maddie, come here. Come on.
Oh, you're fast.
Right.
Yeah, well, I know. All right, you too. Bye, Maddie. Bye. I can't believe those dogs are out here. Better dogs than mine. Oh my goodness, mine are like babies. I hope this is a good video for you guys because it is like freezing, the wind is blowing. Oh, check this out, Ashton and Xander. I know you've seen this before because you guys get snow in Portland, but look at that icicle off that truck. Yeah, wow. Oh, I feel sorry for other people who don't have boots and walking their dogs. Well, I've never seen the parking lot in this apartment complex full. Ha! And they ain't going anywhere. And I'm not going anywhere either. Nope. I wonder if the mail made it. Wow. Okay. Okay, I'm cold. I'm gonna go inside now. Ah. Okay, I'm walking backwards because the wind's blowing in my face. Now I wish I had a 4-wheel drive. But they normally don't get this much snow. It's a winter storm. Global warming. Oh my goodness. Ah. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the videos of the dogs in the snow. That was perfect timing, those small dogs coming. I wanted to take one of my dogs, but as you can see, they didn't want to go. So, oh, this car has a lot more icicles. Wow. Yeah. Monstrous looking. Yep. Well, it's not a good time to come out and build a snowman, that's for sure. But after, I think about midnight tonight, it'll calm down, and actually tomorrow will be a pretty good day to come out and play. Maybe my dogs will walk by then. But, this is amazing. Hope my, well, you know, that's a sidewalk right there. Somebody used it earlier, and as you can see, the snow filled up his steps. But I'm making new steps. I don't have snow gear, or I'd make a snowman. Or a snow angel. That would be kind of cool. Huh. Ashton and Xander, do you guys make snow angels? Yeah, I bet you do. Yeah, you guys get this like every year. This is like not normal for us. Okay, look how far up that snow is. My boots are all, look at that. I lost my foot. All right. Oh my goodness. Now this is a workout. Now I don't have snow boots or snow skis or anything. Okay, I'm back to my apartment. Oh, that wind is murderous. My goodness. Whew. And I think my dog is still whining. Okay, back to my apartment. I'll talk to you later, alright? Love ya.